Okay, let's start and see gravitational field intensity at an axial point due to thin rod. This is a rod whose mass is m and this is length L, and this is point P where we have to find what? The gravitational field intensity. What we have to find? Gravitational field intensity. Let's start solving now. Now what I'm doing, I'm taking one small length element. You see here, this is a length element whose length is dx and mass is dm, and which is at distance from this point, let us suppose x. Till here you understood? This white one is a rod.
Yes, sir.
Whose mass is capital M
Yes, sir.
and length of this rod is L. From this one end of the rod, the point P is at distance D, and from this length element dx, the point P distance is how much? X. Understood? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now see. So first of all, what I am doing here, right, see here. Now see, for mass M, the length of rod is capital L. Okay, for mass M, length of rod is capital L. Then for dm, how much is the length? Dx. How much is the length? Dx. So can I write like this then? Dm by dx, mass per unit length, should be constant as uniform density, we can say. So therefore, dm by dx should be equal to m by L. Agree with me till here? Yes,
Yes,
agree
sir.
with me.
Yes, sir.
Now you see this dm, that is
Sir,
small,
once again you say, sir.
that is m by L into,
Sir, once again you say, sir.
this is capital M for this complete length rod. Okay, for complete rod,
Yes, sir.
for complete rod, length is how much? L. Mass is how much? M.
Yes, sir.
You see. Now
M.
whatever I have taken small piece, this shaded part, its mass is dm and its length is dx. So
Dx. Yes,
for
sir.
the small dm mass, length is how much? Dx. So dm by
Dx.
dx is equal to m by L, because uniform mass density, no, for this rod, or mass per unit length, we can say.
Yes, sir.
That's why dm by dx is equal to capital M by capital L. And now just transfer this dx here. So dm is equal to what? M by L into dx. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Right. Now you see, we have one formula, that is gravitational field intensity, and I am taking that is dE is, first I am writing dE is gravitational field intensity, gravitational field intensity due to small mass dm, and therefore dE is equal to g into dm divided by x square. So at this point P, we are having gravitational field intensity, that is dE, due to this small mass dm, and that is what? G into dm by x square. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
you
sir.
see, E is equal to what is the formula रे? G into m by distance square, है ना? Now D is what? Small gravitational field intensity, and that's why dm is the small mass and x is the distance from that mass to the given point. Understood? Yes, no?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can I write like this? dE is equal to G into this dm value is what? M by L into dx
Dx.
divided by x square. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just what I did, this dm value is there now. You see here, this is equation number 1. So from this equation number 1, whatever I have written here, that is this. Are you agree with me now?
Yesterday you told this only, sir.
Yes?
Yesterday till here you already told, sir.
Yesterday I told everything till integration also. One more time I am repeating so that you will understand well. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
In yesterday's class, we was having little less time. That's why that integration part I told fastly, hai na? So that's why I'm taking this topic again so that you will understand well. That's why I'm telling you. You ask your doubts if you have any. Understood till here now?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Just dm value is there na? This dm value you can see here. ये जो dm value है यहाँ पे, ये देखो आप इक्वेशन 1 में है ना, वही मैंने यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है कि नहीं? Yes?
Yes,
And
sir.
therefore, can I write like this now? C dE is equal to Gm by L x square into dx. Agree with me? Yes, tell
Yes,
me. Understood till here?
Yes, sir.
If you have written already, no need. Okay, just try to understand. If you have written
Okay,
already.
sir.
Till here, any doubt, please ask. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how
So-
Lx square came, sir? Lx square.
This L came down now. This L and x square, Lx square. This m by L is there, no? This L will come down now. M by L this is. So L will come down. M is at numerator.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this now D is what rate due to this point mass. Now see here. Now total gravitational field intensity that is integration of dE is equal to integration of this part, because I am taking integration on both sides. So this is Gm by Lx square into dx. What is the meaning of integration? Integration means nothing but summation. आपको मालूम है ना, summation. I is equal to 0 to n is equal to 1, something you are doing है ना, or else n or something like that, whatever, है कि नहीं? आप करते हो ना? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So see here now, this length element, ये जो length element मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है, मैं कहां से कहां तक ले सकता हूं? इस पॉइंट से लेके इस पॉइंट तक ले सकता हूं, है कि नहीं? ये जो स्मॉल लेंथ एलिमेंट है, मैं कहां पे भी ले सकता हूं ना, इस रॉड पे. यस, I can take this small length element anywhere from this end to this end. Now this end is at what distance from the point P? It is at distance D. And this distance is at what distance? This point is at what distance? L plus D. That's why I am taking integration from D to L plus D. Understand? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's come back to this corner. See here. So integration of dx, some formula I am giving you. Integration of dx is x. Integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay. And if suppose,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now suppose you are having something like this, that is lower limit is suppose a. I am telling in simple language. Upper limit is b and x power n dx is there. Then what you will do? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and this is a, this is b. A is called lower limit. Listen carefully this part. A is called lower limit. B is called upper limit. So after using this formula, whatever you got this, what you have to do? You have to put upper limit and subtract lower limit. Put upper limit and subtract upper limit or lower limit. Subtract lower limit, है ना? Put upper limit, subtract lower limit. यहाँ पे देखो. So that implies this value will become what? At the place of x, I will keep first upper limit b power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus a power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is what your final answer for this formula. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay?
Yeah.
Now listen here. This side you listen. Now this mathematics we are using here. This is what basic formula which we are going to use. And that's why I have written here. You can also write down in the notebook. Listen carefully now here you see. This integration of dE is what, Ray? E. See, integration of dx is x. Integration of dy is y. Integration of dp is p. है ना? Likewise, integration of dE is what? E. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose integration of dy is there. What you will write?
Y.
Very good.
Why,
If
sir?
suppose integration of dz is there, what you will write?
Yes, sir.
Z.
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 If suppose integration of z dz is there, what you will write?
Z.
DZ, sir.
Z power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. देखो यहाँ पे x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. n is what here? Nothing but 1. है कि नहीं? So you will
1.
get z square by 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose
sir.
now x power minus 2 dx is there. What you will write, Ray? Tell me. What you will write?
X power minus 2 plus 1.
Very good. Divided by?
Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1.
Wow. Very good. So this is x power minus 1 divided by minus 1. है ना? And this is equal to what, Ray? Minus x power minus 1. This is equal to minus 1 by x. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is that
sir.
clear? Any doubt? Understood?
Sir, with one more example you asked.
Okay. X power, suppose they have given x power minus 3 dx. Tell me what you will get.
X power
X power minus 3
3
plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1.
minus
Yes, very good.
Minus
Tell me.
3 plus 1.
power minus 2 by minus 2.
X power minus
Ah,
2
then
2 by x
Sir,
power
how much?
x power minus 2 by
How much? Tell me
minus
how
1 by
much?
x.
Huh?
Minus 1 by x.
Minus 1 by x. No. Who will tell me?
x sir minus 1 by minus 2 power x power 2
Minus 1 by 2 into x power minus
x
2.
power minus
Or else you can write minus 1 by 2 into 1 by x square. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear
sir.
है? हाँ.
yes sir yes sir
Now this is what? Without limit. Suppose now limit is there. Listen here. Now I am taking one more example for your understanding. Suppose now we are having something like this. X power minus 2 dx. Lower limit a, upper limit b. What you will get, Ray? Tell me first. X power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. And then this is a and this is b. This is equal to x power minus 1 by minus 1. And then this is a and b. Again you see minus 1 by x. This is a and this is b. Now what we have to do? Put upper limit. So that's why put minus. Subtract lower limit. Minus 1 by a. Understand? This is minus 1
Sir,
by
once
b plus
explain last
1 by. Huh?
sir this last step you explained sir why we substituted b and a sir
Yes, sir. Once.
Yes, yes. See,
There are
till
a
here,
b on the integration, then we should subtract, sir.
हाँ, see here, यहाँ पे देखो ये जो स्टार मार्क मैंने दिया है, put upper limit and subtract lower limit at the place of x. So here it is x, no, upper limit is what, Ray? B. So first I have substituted minus 1 by b. Understand? Minus is our function, na? Just at the place of x you keep upper limit. That's why b I have substituted. Subtract lower limit means minus, and whatever this function is there, minus 1 by a. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
minus will become plus. One more example we will take. Wait. One more example we will take. Then you will understand better. Wait. Now suppose I am taking like this. Listen carefully. X square dx. And this is a and this is b. Now tell me, Ray, what you will get?
X square 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1.
Direct x cube by
X
3.
power.
Na?
Yes.
Yes, no. Agree with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 plus 1
Sir.
by 2 plus 1. Now you see this is a and this is b. Now at the place of b, at the place of x, first keep upper
cube.
limit.
b
B
cube by
cube.
3 minus
b
a
cube by
cube by
3 minus
minus
a cube by
A cube
Super.
minus B.
Very good. Very good. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, last, sir, one more. Last.
Are so
Last,
many will
sir,
take.
one
No
more.
problem. No problem. So many will take. X power 5 dx y and z. Tell me.
X
x power 6 by 6
6 by
X power
Or 6 by. Means b power 6 by 6.
b power 6 by 6
B power 6 by 6
b
minus
power 6 power
minus
6
Z power
minus
Z
a
power
power
6 y pi. Y power
6
6 by 6
by 6 sir 6 power 6 by 6
by 6 sir.
z
Put upper
power
limit,
6
subtract
minus
lower
y
limit.
power 6
Understand?
6 LCM.
yes sir
Clear? समझ में
Yes,
आया?
sir. Clear.
What sir?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Like this. Now let's come to the point. that is in our step. So see, Gm and L is constant. That's why I am taking outside Gm by L integration 1 by x square dx d and L plus d. Now this Gm by L I am again keeping outside, and I am writing here x power minus 2
L
dx
plus
d2 L plus d. Now tell me what you
D.
will get. Bolo bolo.
X power 1 by 1.
X power 1 by 1.
Minus 1 by minus 1.
L plus D power minus 1 by minus 1 minus D power minus 1 by minus 1.
Wait first. Wait first. Is it right? X power minus 2 dx. You understood x power minus 1 by minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood? This is minus 2 plus 1
Yes.
by minus 2
Yes,
plus
sir.
1. Or shall I do one more step? Understood? No.
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
If you are still facing problems here, x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, and this is upper limit, lower limit, or lower limit, upper limit. So how much you are getting? Gm by L x power minus 1 by minus 1 d L plus d. So this is equal to Gm by L into minus 1 by x and d L plus d. Understood? Bolo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now shall I substitute upper limit and lower limit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
Yes.
Now see, at the place of Gm by L into, this is minus 1 by x. Tell me, minus 1 by Bolo.
1 by
Minus
1 by
1.
1 by D, sir. Minus 1 by D minus
Hey.
Minus 1 by L plus
L plus D. First you keep upper limit now. What is upper limit? L plus D.
D plus D.
Minus. Subtract lower
Mi-
limit. Minus 1 by
1
D.
D.
1
by
by
D.
D.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here, put upper limit and subtract lower limit. So many examples we did now. So now you tell me last step. Next step, bolo. Gm by L into minus 1 by L plus D minus minus plus, that is 1 by D.
Plus 1 by D.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if I will rearrange this and I will write like this, do you have any objection? See here, Gm by L into 1 by D minus 1 by L plus D. Okay, this is what?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Gravitational field intensity. Yes. Now you understood. This is what the formula.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Everyone understood clearly?
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now let's solve one problem. Okay.
Sir, once can you turn to the previous page, sir?
Yes. Take.
Shall we note down, sir?
If you have not noted yesterday, you can note down. Okay. If you have noted, no problem, no need. Already if you have, no need. This side is there now. This whatever mathematics we have used, you can note down that, or else whatever the steps which you did not understand, that also you can note down. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Right. Now let's go to the next page and let's solve the problem. Then you will understand how they are asking problem. Find the gravitational field intensity at point P. Okay, so they have given you already one figure. So in that everything is there, whatever you want. You can see this is point P, and this distance is 2 meter. Okay, and this length of this rod, this length is L is equal to 4 meter, and mass of this rod is equal to 4 kg. Can you do it yourself? Can you do it yourself? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do it
sir, it is
yourself.
actually direct formula, sir.
Yes, direct formula. Use
Okay.
it. You can substitute G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square at last. Okay, last you substitute after doing all this. Okay, everything is in SI, no need to convert, just substitute the values and
Okay, sir.
do it slowly. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, answer is 2.223 into 10 power minus level.
yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me the answer?
2.223 into 10 power minus level, sir.
Okay, first answer we got 2.22.
22.
Okay, 2.22 into
10 power minus 11.
minus 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other answer? Any other answer?
No, sir.
Yes?
1 minute.
Do it fast.
Yes, sir. 2.22 into 10 power minus 11.
2.22. Everyone got? Is it necessary to solve?
Yes, sir. No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone got the same?
Sir, should we take 9.8 as G, sir?
No, sir.
Yes,
Not
yes.
same, sir.
Should we take 9.8 as G?
No. Why? Small g is not there now. This is capital G.
Okay. Yes, sir.
They are
Yes, sir.
already written now.
Okay.
Yes? G into
Got
this
it,
M
sir.
is 4. L is what?
By 4, sir. By 4, sir.
By 4 only na? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
4,
sir.
4 get cancelled.
Okay. 1 by D how much re? 2.
2, sir.
Minus 1 by L plus D.
4 plus 2.
6,
1 by
sir.
3 will get, sir. 1 by 3
4
will get.
plus 2, 6.
6. Right. This 4 cancel. So how much you will get re? G into how much?
1 by
3 minus 1 by 6, sir.
6 minus 2 by 6. 2s are 12. How
No, sir.
much?
6 will be.
Sir, we
Sir.
can directly take.
Sir,
LCM,
Sir, we can directly take
LCM,
6
sir.
as the.
LCM we can take 6, no, sir.
LCM 6, no, sir.
Same,
Yes, sir. This way also we'll get same.
Array, you will understand. That's why I did cross multiplication, Ray. Direct LCM
Yes,
also
sir.
you can take. But so that
Yes,
you
sir.
will
Direct LCM we
understand.
took.
Same only no.
Sir, direct we, sir,
Same,
direct
sir.
we take, sir. That's why.
No
Yes,
problem,
sir.
no problem. Right. Now 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 divided by 2 or 3. 3
3,
है
sir.
ना?
Yes, sir.
3 करो. तो कितना होगा बोलो?
2.22 into 10 power minus 11.
2.22 into 10 power minus 11.
Okay, 2.22 into 10 to the power minus 11. What is the unit? Newton per kg.
Newton per.
Okay. Check
Okay, sir.
karo. Everything is right. Check it once.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we go to the next page? Yes, got the
Yes,
same.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, now I am giving homework. You try yourself. Already one model we have finished. So see, this is a equilateral triangle. First I am giving. Okay, this is equilateral triangle. And this is 2 kg. This is 3 kg. And this angle is 60 degree. A, B, and C. Find E, that is gravitational field intensity, at point C. Can you do it yourself? Can you do it this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see, this is E1, hai na? This is E2, and then resultant formula we have to use. You know no formula. One problem already we have solved.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And one more problem passed. This is problem number 1. And this is problem number 2. You try to do yourself. This is a rod whose mass is 2 kg, length is 1 meter, and this is a point P, which is at distance 0.5 meter. Okay. Right. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
You have to
sir.
find EP. In this, EP is equal to how much?
Sir, will do, sir.
Yes, do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ah,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.